Welcome back to the channel. Day 2 of the father-daughter ride, and we are loving it.
So we're here at Lynn's, established 1989 in Cambria. We're going to have a wonderful breakfast, go back to some of the drops. You'll see where we've interviewed the owner. But the day is going to bring Hearst Castle. We're going to go up to the sea lions. They're huge, and we're going to show the girls that. And then we're going to try to get up as far north as we can. Can't wait to see the coastline with them and show them the beauty of the rocks and the ocean crashing into the lighthouse. So we're going to have a great day, but now it's time to go eat. Let's do it! Kind of like the bacon and the cowboy. Good.
We're out here enjoying the sun. It's a great day. It's a Saturday morning. This is awesome. The hills are green. Everyone, I can't wait.
Well, we're out here enjoying the sun at Hearst Castle.
Well, that's why I left that for you to say.
So we'll give you some history throughout the tour. You're going to see William Randolph Hearst estate up here, 80,000 acres. He had a zoo. It's incredible. There's a lot of history to be seen here. What do you guys think? Are you excited?
Excited to see not only the castle, but the zebras.
I think I'm excited because, you know, you do this stuff in school, field trips and stuff, but now I'm at an age where I can appreciate it, and these guys bring so much knowledge, and so I'm excited to go see the castle.
Well, it took a while to build this, and it's going to take us 2 hours to go through just a piece of it. So let's get up there.
Let's do it.
We're not late. You're late. What are you doing?
So we hopped on the bus for a scenic 15-minute ride up to the castle. Construction of the castle began in 1919 and continued for nearly 30 years until 1947. Our first stop was the Neptune Terrace, which is best known for its 345,000-gallon pool, ornate sculptures and fountains, and seemingly endless views of the Santa Lucia mountain range.
After walking across the terrace, we arrived at La Casa Grande, also known as the Big House, which was named that for a good reason. This place is really crazy, but really great to see. Inspired by various periods of Spanish architecture, the 68,500 square foot castle is home to 38 bedrooms, 14 sitting rooms, 42 bathrooms, a theater, library, and a massive collection of artifacts from all over the world. We've lost Galen. I think he's secretly in that room.
He wandered off. We get stuck somewhere, but it's all right. We're having a good time.
Ah. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, I was filming here. I didn't want to miss this. All the art here. Even these little shelves.
The ceilings in every room are nuts.
Yeah, this is really cool. Glad we're showing the daughters this piece of history.
From the details in the ceilings to the incredible art collections and endless staircases, it sure was a sight to see.
So far, what do you think?
Crazy. It's like Great Gatsby meets the Getty.
That was a very good analogy, Alyssa.
What she said.
What?
What she said.
We've taken our wives here, now we have our daughters. How do you feel about this whole day?
I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't have done this.
Please.
They're going to be spoiled, and I think Teresa and Laura might get upset because we're going to take them on more rides.
Ooh, that's a plan.
The two daughters. They don't get mad at speed.
2-lane littles.
No.
2-lane littles.
Oh, that's
Came
it.
up with 2-lane wives too.
So she coined 2-lane wives, now she's got 2-lane littles, and there they are.
Where's the money?
See that? It's all about the money. Josh,
Yes.
I know you're into history and art and things like that. What do you think so far?
I think I'd love to live here. I dig all the art. It's kind of mind-blowing to see how much detail is in every piece of every corner of every room of every wing of this property.
Well, wait till you see the pool when we go down in here. You're gonna be blown away.
The outside pool, I wouldn't mind cracking anywhere from 3 to 14 beers out there, so I'm really stoked to see the inside one.
Yeah, let's do this.
Might as well make this just a 40-minute talking video.
So we're down. We had a great visit to Hearst Castle. Good time. You know how we always call our bikes time machines? Well, when we came down the hill, Lauren said we've just entered back into 2023. Kind of interesting.
I think I'll go back to the 20s, 30s, right,
Yeah,
Alyssa?
let's go Gadsby.
Well, I think these ladies thoroughly enjoyed this tour.
Yes, we did. It was a good time.
You can't explain the opulence and how many rooms have just this crazy stuff in it until you see it. So super glad that you guys were able to see it.
Awesome.
Let's eat.
Let's find some lunch.
Wow. Would you look at that?
It's actually beautiful.
What do you
Mine doesn't look like that. Caesar salad.
We had a beautiful cup of Italian love soup. I don't know
Liquid
what that
lunch, huh?
Liquid lunch.
Italian wedding. Liquid
I got
lunch.
chicken wings coming.
I
They're
don't
not
see
here yet, but they're coming.
Shrimp Caesar, but it's hard to keep up with you guys. You eat so healthy.
Well, we finally got some food. What's up, man? How was your meal?
Not bad. I made my own guacamole with some sliced avocados, and then I got a beef patty with some Swiss cheese. Not bad.
Very good. Will you give us a review in number
Yeah.
format?
I'm gonna have to say these chicken wings, honestly, are probably at 8 or 9 out of 10.
Wow.
They're very tasty. I'm digging it. Good choice.
How was the shrimp salad?
It wasn't bad. I'm gonna give it a 6.5, 7 though.
This was actually like an 8. It was very good. Still working. How was your lettuce and...
I'm on the 6 train.
All right.
So as you can see, sometimes in California you get fog on the coast, and we're in it right now. And off to my left right here, guys, there's Alyssa and Galen running the gamut on Highway 1.
What's up, dude? What's happening?
We're here at Ragged Point Inn. Decided to pull in and see the fog is really socked in here. But we're gonna see if we can look down in, maybe get some fog going over the top of us.
What's up with that road, though?
Closed 500 feet ahead. Lots of landslides from the big rains we've had. Horrible. Well, I don't know if we could have asked for a better day. Although we did have a little bit of fog rolling in, it was great to show them that as well. And I love going up the coast and seeing the jagged rocks and the ocean hitting. Lauren thought a whale was jumping out of the water. Man, what did we do today?
We had a great day. It was actually a busy day, from Hearst Castle to the elephant seals. Lunch was great, you know. What do you girls think about this trip?
It was super cool getting to see the elephant seals. We saw lots of animals today, the zebras. Everything was super great. We got to see the fog up the coast, see the different types of cliffs and everything. But yeah, it was a great day.
It's cool to see where these motorcycles can take you, right?
Yeah, who knew?
Well, there you have it from some new riders. They're actually enjoying it, I think.
We are.
I am. I definitely want to take the kids back and see all these spots we've stopped at.
So Teresa and Laura, we have a question for you. You have competition now, so what are you going to do?
Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to get in and have a great dinner tonight. Tomorrow we're going to take our time working back down the coast, get back home. We'll see where that day takes us, but We're not done yet. Let's have a great dinner, get into Cambria. Maybe we'll sit by the fire tonight.
That sounds
nice.
fireside chat. You
Let's
know what
do
I
it.
mean?
Boom.
What's going on here?
We are here at the Sea Chest, man, and this is, it opens at 5:30, but this always happens here. People line up, usually back to the wall,
It's like a tailgate.
right?
It's like we're tailgating.
I can tell you, last time I was here, I was about 10 feet farther back. We made it in the first sitting.
So we just waited an hour to get here, and
Yeah.
we got the best seat
But it was meant to be. It was the perfect weight, right?
meant to
Yes.
be.
And here's Jeff. How we doing?
Jeff.
Dinner was really good. I had awesome halibut, some good wine, and a hot chocolate lava cake. I liked it.
How was dinner?
It was really good. Got some fish and a nice lava cake to end it.
Develop newspaper
Pretty good.
magazines. So he became this media mogul that was incredible, right?
Best dinner so far.
We're still talking history.
Because they don't watch our videos. Like if they
There's a
watch
lot
our
of
videos, they would
We
know
do.
that
We like and subscribe.
We do. We like and subscribe.
Hey, Laura and Teresa, what should they do?
Like and subscribe. Comment. Hit the bell.
You heard what they said, and if you don't do it, there's going to be some trouble.